Good morning, students. Today I have given you the project work on our national symbol. You have to do on any one of the symbol. You have to choose and do it nicely on a A4 size paper and submit on 12th August within 2 p.m. to my WhatsApp number. Yes, it is compulsory. You have to do it, otherwise your marks will be deducted. It carries 10 marks. Okay, we have completed our syllabus and we are going to complete our division 2. Last day we have done be safe and be happy and be safe. Today I am doing chapter 9, our national symbols. Yes, we know what is our national symbols. We have already learnt it. The chapter opens with a puzzle. Get set and go. Take the correct answers. A flower, mostly pink, that looks like a water lily. The sunflower, lotus, dahlia. This lotus. A very colorful bird which can fly short distance. Peacock, crow, parakeet. This peacock. A member of the cat family which has stripes on its body. Lion, leopard, tiger. We know every country has some symbols. They tell us about identity, value, and culture of that country. Such symbols are called national symbols. So, already learned this, what is called national symbols. National flag. Our national flag or the tricolor is rectangular in shape. It has three equal bands of different colors. Saffron stands for courage and strength. White stands for truth and peace. Green stands for prosperity. In the center of the white band, there is a navy blue wheel. It has 24 spokes. This is Ashoka Chakra. The wheel stands for motion and progress. The spoke stands for the hours in a day. There are 24 hours in a day. There is 24 spokes a day. There are certain rules regarding our national flag. We must follow them. What are they? It must not be kept on the ground. The saffron band should always be on top. It must always be carried in front in a procession. The flag should never touch the ground or the floor. We must never hoist a dirty or a torn flag. National emblem. The national emblem is a seal of the government of India. It can be seen on government papers, currency notes, coins, and official letters. Our national emblem has 4 lions facing the 4 directions. However, only 3 can be seen at a time. The base of the emblem has a horse, a bull, an elephant, and a lion, each separated by a wheel. This is also called the lion capital of Ashoka. The words Shatameva Jayate, truth alone triumphs, are written below the wheel. The emblem has been taken from the Ashokan pillar, which is at Sarnath in Uttar Pradesh. You have to learn it. The national anthem was first sung in 1911. The playing or singing time of our national anthem is about 52 seconds. Yes, we have to remember what is our national song, national anthem. Sorry, it's not song, it is anthem. National song is Vande Mataram. National anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Yes, national anthem. Most countries have a national anthem. It is sung on important occasions. Our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, was written by the famous poet Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. It is a song in praise of our motherland. We must follow certain rules regarding our national anthem. We must show respect to our national anthem. We must learn it and sing it properly. When we sing it or hear it being sung, We must stand at attention position. We must not talk or move while it is being sung. Our national flag is rectangular, circular in shape. Rectangular. The Ashokan Chakra is our in our national flag, navy blue in color. There are 4 tigers in our national emblem. Is true or false? False. 4 lions. Janagana Mana is our national anthem. National animal. The Royal Bengal tiger is our national animal. It represents grace, strength and power. To protect tiger, a special project called Project Tiger was started by the government. Today, tigers are protected in national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. National bird. The peacock is our national bird. It is beautiful bird with a long blue neck and a tail of colorful feathers. The peacock is found in almost all parts of India. It is a symbol of beauty and grace. National flower. The lotus is our national flower. It grows in muddy ponds and lakes. The flower represents truth, knowledge and wealth. Our national symbol represents the culture and values of our country. They show that we are one. So, you have understood. You have to understand the meaning of the national emblem, national anthem. Yes, national symbols above all. Our national flag is tricolor, national emblem lion capital, national anthem Janagana Mano, national animal Royal Bengal tiger, national bird peacock, and the national flower lotus are the symbols of our country. We must respect our national symbols. Okay, all of you got the question answers previously, and you have to learn it for your first term nicely. So be prepare yourself for your first term, and you must submit your project on one of the symbols and do it nicely and on 12th August. Don't forget that. Yes, thank you for today.